नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं सचिन भाटिया इंडियन मोबिलिटी स्टोरीज की तरफ से आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हमारे स्टूडियो में है मिस्टर भानोट, जिन्होंने ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री की मॉडर्नाइजेशन में बहुत प्रमुख भूमिका प्ले की है। सर, थोड़ा सा बताएंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को अपनी जर्नी के बारे में?
हाँ, देखिए, मेरा जर्नी काफ़ी लंबा है। आई स्टार्टेड माई कैरियर इन 64 and I was given the task of developing the electronic industry at that time. So up to 1990, I handled the electronic subject for 25 years in our country. Then I was given the task of automotive industry in 1990 when I became Deputy Director General in the Department of Heavy Industry.
Okay.
And I had to do ab initio development of the auto industry and set up the first homologation system in the country, and also created a permanent one CMVR technical committee which frames the rules and regulations in the country, which still continues. So I chaired that committee.
CMVR की फाउंडेशन आपने ले की थी?
Yes.
Wow.
And
Fantastic.
and also I was the chairman of Automotive Standard Committee because
Automotive Standards Committee.
because we wanted to create a very expeditious setup of your standards in the automotive industry, because BIS was not able to cope with the speed. So we created an automotive standards committee also, and I was chairman of that too. And thereafter in year 2000, I took VRS and went to, I was asked rather to go to ARI, and I remained there for almost 8 years.
8 years you were in ARI?
Yes.
Wow.
I was the director, and we set up the complete homologation system in the country, and we aligned our regulation with the UNECE Geneva, and that is a system we are still following. And after retiring from government of from ARI, I became the chairman of the Transport Engineering Council of Bureau of Indian Standards.
BIS. You
BIS
became the
for standards.
transport engineering for BIS.
Yes.
Wow.
Now I am at present chairing the ITS panel of the BIS for making standards in the ITS area.
He's
and
going to be chairing the ITS panel of the BIS. That's fantastic.
So I am chairing for the last couple of years and continue from the day one rather. So, and I notice that ITS is one area which is a barren land in our country, and we have to make a big beginning in that. So that is briefly to tell you the.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful, sir. It's really wonderful for us to have a chairman like you in the ITS India Forum. So I would like you to share with our viewers what is the vision of the ITS India Forum.
You see, ITS is one subject in our country. At this moment, administratively, it is not handled by any one ministry in the government of India, because it has got multiple branches, verticals. Ministry of Surface Transport has a vertical so far as vehicle is concerned. And when we go to the road infrastructure, they have got a totally different vertical. When you go to the Home Ministry for the traffic management, that is a different subject. So different ministries have got a different role in the ITS subject.
Different ministries are involved with ITS subject.
Yeah.
It is, if I may say so, it is like blind people touching different parts of an elephant and finding it to be different.
Yes, but there is no single ministry who is the custodian of the subject as such. So with the result, you see the like Department of Telecommunication, they allocate the frequencies for various type of functions for the ITS. If you have to track from vehicle to vehicle or vehicle to X, that means infrastructure or anything, there is no particular frequency.
So the
it has to be
connectivity
allocated.
of different aspects of ITS is very, very important to bring all the stakeholders on the common platform.
Exactly.
So are you trying to say that the ITS India Forum is going to enable that?
That is the idea of creating this forum, so that we involve all the concerned administrative ministries like Department of Electronics and like Ministry of Surface Transport, or for that matter NHAI, Home Ministry, DOT, so many other ministries, Urban Affairs Ministry. So because it has cut across the discipline in various ministries, and Niti Aayog will also play a big role. Incidentally, I was made a chairman of one of the Niti Aayog committee on ITS. And I submitted the report also to the Niti Aayog, but I don't know. what they are doing on that. Probably they will be doing something on that particular subject. And I think this is a good step, and we suggested that as a national member, if we have to national level recommend somebody to attend some conference or some international event, there is no one ministry who can even nominate a person on behalf of Government of India. That is a big lacuna. So we want that organization like Ministry of Electronics or somebody owns the subject of your ITS, so that we move forward.
So the vision is really good, sir. So what is going to be the mission moving forward in that direction in the next couple of months?
Idea is that we should involve the concerned stakeholders in this particular organization,
Okay.
which is a sort of a autonomous trust,
Okay.
and so that we should get the blessings of the various departments of the government, like Ministry of Electronics, or Department of Telecommunication, or NHAI, Home Ministry, so that the various application of the ITS are promoted, and where necessary we bring the standards on the subject, and the subject can grow in a homogeneous manner at the national and international level.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. That's a very nice mission to create forward. I request all of you to please repost and forward this interview of Mr. Bhanot so that we can get reach to maximum government departments and they come forward and join our organization so that we can create the vision for ITS for India. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.